What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make over $20,000 per month from one of my online passive income streams. Now, this is a very important video, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end. I have a lot of good content. I have a little secret at the end, but more importantly, if you watch this all the way, guys, you will understand how to actually make money online. This is a proper way to make money online, and I take you through what I've done to make this $20,000, right? I could go out and teach you methods on how to make money online, but I like to also do case studies that shows you exactly what I've done so you can understand how it actually works and see that it's actually possible to make money online. So what you're going to be learning in this video is simple: how I make $20,000 per month from one of the income streams that I do, the two products that I'm making this money from, the exact free traffic source that I'm using. So this is a completely free traffic source, right? You don't just need to spend any money on traffic, and how you can get started doing this as well. Now, guys, when it comes to making money online, you'll see hundreds of videos get uploaded daily. How to make money fast, how to make money quick. If you keep kind of like following these things all over the place, you're never really going to get success. You want to follow a proven method that's been working for years, 10, 20 years, that's literally been working for years and years and years, and there's people making really good money from it. Because the problem is, if you keep skipping to these videos that say make money quickly and you think that you can make money online quickly, you're never going to make money, okay? Because there really is no way to just go and make money quickly. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the effort to get the results that you want. Like, do you think that $20,000 a month just happens like that? It doesn't just happen like that. You have to actually focus, put in the work, follow strategies that are working. Because $20,000 a month doesn't just fall out of the sky without putting in any effort or clicking a few buttons. Just doesn't work like that. So what we're going to be talking about in this video is a case study that I did, and hopefully if you're smart enough, you watch this all the way to the end and absorb all the knowledge, because if you do, it will give you the unfair advantage and you will have a good chance of making some money online, okay? Don't be like the people that watch a few seconds of a video and you're too worried about making money fast that you miss all the good stuff. Because that's what most people do. They just want to make $500 a day by clicking a few buttons. Yes, it can be done, but it's not a long-term strategy. So be one of the ones that watches this all the way to the end and actually learns something and learns how to make money online. So what I do, guys, is here's some results. I'll show you some actual live results in a second. But what I do is for this particular method, I do lots of methods, but for this method here, I go and find products online that people own and I promote them for a commission. So I get a commission. So we have what we call the vendor. The vendor is the person who owns the product. So that's the person who owns it. They do all the support and all that sort of stuff. They create the product, right? I'm the affiliate. So I just promote the product and I get a commission for doing that. So I make money for doing that. It's a very simple business model. It's been around for years. It's one of the longest running business models today. And people always say, oh, maybe it'll get saturated, and they always kind of like come up with some excuse not to do it. Guys, this model has been around for years and it literally can't get saturated because it just works, and it works and it works and it works, and there's lots of people making money with this. And because it just keeps growing, the more it grows, the more room there is for people to make money in it. So that's how the business model works. Now, the first thing you kind of want to think about, and this is what I think about every time I do this method, is what type of product to promote. So first of all, something that's really, really critical if you want to make $10,000, $20,000 a month. And these are not really critical if you want to make a few $1,000s a month, but something that people need, okay? That's really critical if you want to make big money. And has recurring commissions. So that means that you get paid every single month. Now, this is an optional thing. You don't have to actually have this in your criteria. But the thing that with what people need is really good because you can make lots of money, but something that also people are searching for online. So let me kind of explain with a couple of product examples. So product number one is this one here. I make around about $7,000 at this point in time per month from this particular product. It goes up and down. It's usually between $7,000 to $10,000. What this product is simple. This product is Shopify. Okay, so Shopify is an e-commerce platform and it's massive. You guys have probably seen it around, and you can get a commission for referring people to this product. Affiliate marketing and referrals are kind of like pretty much the same thing. So Airbnb and Uber, things like that, you can get a commission for referring somebody. Well, it's the same thing. Affiliate marketing and referring are essentially the same thing. So Airbnb, Uber, all those big businesses do affiliate marketing as well. We have done in the last 30 days, 7,000. If we go up here and we change it to, let's go the last 365 days, this particular product, I've made over 100,000 US dollars in 1 year. And it's passive. I've done all the work in the past. But what I kind of want you to focus on here is why do I promote this product? Because it's trending, and it's been trending for a very long time. So this is kind of what I mean about saturation, right? So if we search Shopify and dropshipping is a method people use Shopify for. If we search that in Google Trends, it's consistently trending up. So the market's growing. So when a market is growing, there really is no saturation because it keeps growing and keeps growing. So the room keeps expanding for new affiliates to come in. And it just keeps growing and keeps growing and keeps growing. You don't want to be in a market where it's flat because then the growth is stalled, so it can become saturated. But saturation is also a good thing because it means that there's people making money, right? People wouldn't be doing it if there was no money to be made. I'm proof by making $20,000 a month doing this, and you'll see with the other product in a second. So go into Google Trends and kind of find something that's going up on a long-term thing, right? So this is the last 5 years and it's just exploded. Now, the second product is what we call ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a funnel program. So people go and promote this particular product and I get a commission. Now, the commission, so I'll show you the results in a second, but this is like people build funnels, webinars, memberships, right? And these are the results. We'll do a refresh as well. And you can see $179,000, $12,000 per month. So with that and Shopify adds up to $20,000 per month. And you can get a 40% commission, monthly recurring. So it's $97 per month. I get $38 per person every month. And I have 369 people on this under me, right? So I'm getting a really, really large commission per month, $12,000. Now they also have other products that you can promote as well, where you get a commission as well. So this $12,000 per month isn't just from the recurring commissions. It's from software and stuff as well. That they have all sorts of products. Look at all of these products here. You can promote so many different products, but I just focus on getting people to sign up to ClickFunnels. Now, the thing about this one as well is it's on a rise, right? So ClickFunnels, sales funnels, marketing funnels, all of these search terms in Google Trends, it's going up. So the market is growing. So there's money to be made and it's consistently growing. This is kind of what I look for with long-term affiliate marketing. Now, this isn't to say that you're not going to make any money if you don't look for this type of stuff. You can get into markets that are dropping. You can get into markets that are flat. It doesn't matter. You just might not make as much. You might want to make $1,000 a month. You can do that in any market. You might want to make $500 a month. You can do that in any market. But if you want to make $20, $30, $40, $50, $100,000 per month in affiliate marketing, you need to be hitting those trends in those markets that are consistently growing and evolving and getting bigger. Now, guys, the reason I'm doing this video, again, a lot of you guys might have seen it in the past, is because I do have a lot of new subscribers, so don't be in the comments saying I've done this stuff before. I like to do this every few months just to refresh everybody's mind. So now we need to move on to the traffic. How do we get the traffic? Okay, so basically what I do is I'll show you in a second some examples. I create these websites that so someone will go into Google and search something. So for example, someone searches, I hate my job, and they go click on a website that's there, okay? And that's what I do. I want to be the website that shows up. Now, the Google searches has gone up. Look at this, it's just exploded, right? So if we have a look here, it's just exploded over time. And this stopped at 2012. We're now in 2019, so you can imagine how much it's gone up. It's probably like way up here, right? So it's getting, apparently it's over 5 billion searches per day on Google. So even if you've got like a tiny 0.1% of that, you can make an incredible amount of money. So how do I do it, right? Well, it's simple. What I do is I go and create these websites. So let me show you the Shopify one first. So this is how to start a Shopify store in 12 minutes. It's an article that I've created on how to create a Shopify store. And then when people click on the links, the affiliate links, let me show you here, get your 14-day trial, they go to a page where they can sign up to a Shopify store, right? And then I get a commission. Very, very simple and easy to do. And here's another one for ClickFunnels. So this is a website that I've created, and a lot of you guys have seen this before, I know, but this is for my new subscribers and kind of to refresh the old subscribers' memories a little bit. But if we go through, I've got an article on how to create a landing page. And then on here, these are affiliate marketing links. If people click on these, they will go through to ClickFunnels. And then we also have links inside the actual content, not on this one, but we have links inside the content here. If people click on these links, they get taken to ClickFunnels and I get a commission, okay? So it's a little affiliate link that you get. Now, what's more important here, guys, is actually understanding how powerful this really is. So let me just get my pen out here. So on the left here, these are some keywords that I rank for. So what you do is you optimize an article for a specific keyword. So for example, the keyword for this Shopify one would be how to start a Shopify store. When someone searches how to start a Shopify store, I want to be getting some traffic for that, right? So let me just kind of show you. These are some keywords from one of the websites, and these are the rankings. So I've got 4 ranking number 1. I've got ranks number 4, number 6, number 7, and this is where it shows up in Google, right? But look at this. So from May, so I basically wrote quite a lot of content, and from May all the way up to November, my website ranks for a total of 14,000 keywords. On the position 4 to 10, 750 keywords. Position 1 to 3, 101 keywords, all within half a year, right? And this website is now getting nearly 2,000 visits per day, right? So you could imagine the money that this is making. Well, it's making over $20,000. So it's an incredible way, and it's passive, right? I've put in the work, now I can just leave it and it makes me money, and maybe I update it every year or so, but it makes me money automatically. So these websites are very, very powerful. But I want to go over a mistake that a lot of people make when they try to actually create these niche websites. So these are called niche websites. Basically, you do a website based on a topic and you grow it over time and you make money. But one of the biggest mistakes people do, and I did this when I started, is the traffic, right? People get really confused on what to do. So someone might go and optimize their article for Shopify review, but you got to understand that that's a very hard keyword. Everybody's trying to rank for that. So you want to do keywords like how to create a Shopify store fast, how to create a Shopify store in 2019, how to create an e-commerce store fast, best e-commerce platform 2019. These get a lot more lower search volume, but it's more targeted, and it's easier for you to get traffic for those search terms. Like when you're a new website, it's going to be impossible for you to rank for Shopify review. It's just not going to happen. You're going to waste your time. And that's why people say, oh, it doesn't work. It works, but you need to rank for the proper keywords. You need to optimize your articles for the proper keywords, okay? If you want to learn about all that, guys, I will have some links in the description on how to optimize keywords and kind of build out these websites. This isn't a tutorial on that. This is just a case study. Now, if we go to product number 2, the traffic, which is ClickFunnels, I think, or it's around the other way, but ClickFunnels review is what most people would try to rank for. What I would do how to create a landing page for lawyers, right? So much more less search volume, but it's more specific and it's easier to get traffic for that particular keyword. How to create a landing page for real estate agents. What is the best webinar platform? How to build a webinar in 2019 quickly. The best thing about ClickFunnels, guys, is it's so versatile. You can literally people can create webinars, landing pages, memberships. So you can go and create topics based on hundreds, if not thousands of topics or articles on that stuff. And people stay on this stuff for life. I've had my own ClickFunnels account for over a year now. People stay on this stuff for 20 years. They just stay because they're using it consistently, and you get money every single month from these people who are using this platform. That's why I like these long-term platforms. Now, guys, what I want to talk about here, I haven't done this before in the past, is I want to talk about the timeline. So this is where people don't understand and they quit way too early and they stop and they say this stuff doesn't work and online's a scam and just doesn't work for them. So you've got to understand the timeline scale. This is very, very important for you to understand. So when you first start, okay, let's say when you start, so this is the start, you are going to be spending a lot of time on this, okay? So your time is going to be going up and up and up and up and up. And your money that you make is going to be stagnant because you're not going to be making any money at this point of time because you're starting. So what you want to be doing is spending as much time as you possibly can on this. Let's just say 3 months later, excuse my writing, 3 months later, let's say, and this is a 3-month line, you start to make some money, okay? Awesome. So your money starts to go up slowly, 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 slowly. and your time's still going up as well. But then your time starts to level off because you don't have to put in as much time anymore because you've got all your articles out. Your time levels off, your timeline. So this is the timeline. And we'll put this one, the money line. So M for money, timeline at the top. And then what happens, guys, is you start to make more and more and more money, but your time goes down, 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 down. You spend less time on it because you don't have to, like, you got to understand that when you're doing articles all the time, they rank in Google, they never go away. So your time starts to go down, but then your reward keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and you just keep making more money. Or if you want, you can keep putting more time in and making more money. But what I'm trying to say is you put in a lot of time at the start to build up this business, and then it becomes really, really, really passive. And then you put in a lot less time as time goes on, and you make more money. Let's say it takes 6 months for you to start making good money, but then you can put in a lot less time after that. It would be worth it, wouldn't it? Because it just would be worth it. Think about this. People get up every single day and go to a job. I used to hate it. To get the same amount of money every single week. There's no growth. But you can grow online by putting in a little bit of hard work at the start. And that's kind of like what a lot of people don't really understand with this stuff is you need to put in a little bit of time at the start. So what I basically do, guys, is I go and find these products, I create these websites, and I build them out over time, okay? So you see that this one has, how many, we got, let me just see how many pages we got on this one. I think we have like 22 pages. So yeah, 21 pages on this one. This website's huge as well. We have literally heaps of tutorials, but we put in the work in the past and we're getting the money now. See, look at this. We're collecting emails from this one, I think. We have, yeah, so we get course sales from this as well. So we're going out and building these websites and we get these commissions from affiliate marketing. Now, I did say that I was going to show you a secret at the end of this video. This is the secret. Right now, it's the end of 2019. You can literally go out and do how to build a landing page and ClickFunnels in 2020 because there's not going to be a lot of people ranking for that right now. So go and create a website and start doing content based on 2020 keywords. That's what I do every single year and it works really, really well. And if you can get up there first, you can usually hold those positions for quite a long time. And I actually have students that have been following my training on YouTube and inside my courses and stuff that are literally getting results from doing this stuff. If you copy what I teach, if you go through my YouTube channel and you find other videos and you copy what I've taught, you sit down and you actually learn and research, then you're gonna start to make money online. You're gonna start to get results. All you need to do is literally go and start a website right now. It's gonna cost you $2.95 per month. Start doing content based on ClickFunnels, Shopify, or maybe you want to use ClickBank. Go and find products to promote. It could be Amazon associates. Go and find products to promote and just keep writing content, okay? Write content, and that's what my students have been doing. And I get results sent to me like this every single day. Thousands of students getting really, really good results. Now, how did they do that? Well, I can give you all the free training on YouTube and you can go and use that if you like. That's fine, it does work. However, if you want to take it to the next level and you want to get results faster and you want to get a step-by-step tutorial, basically training through everything you need to do and get results quicker, I will leave some links below in the description to my training that takes you through step-by-step how to start your own affiliate marketing business online and create passive income. I take you through everything, the best products to promote, how to build websites and funnels, where to get your traffic from, whether it be free traffic or paid traffic, we cover both of those. I take you through ClickBank, Amazon affiliates. I take you through search engine optimization, how to rank in Google. I take you through ClickFunnels. I give you all of my funnels. I show you a case study. I give you all the ads. I give you everything you need. I take you through step by step. So click the link in the description, guys. It will take you through to my training. We have a discount going on right now, so we have 60% off right now. One-time offer. This won't be lasting very long. This is a 5-star review training. So click the link below. But if you want some more videos on how to make money online and do affiliate marketing, click the videos on the right. They will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I'll also leave a playlist up as well. Go and check out that playlist. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that notification bell, guys. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.